Alright, so today we're gonna be doing hair because that is what people voted for on Patreon. I'm sorry that this took so long. November was a bit of a hell month for me. I went through a lot, but now I'm okay and I'm getting back on stuff, so here we go. So basically what I like to do is I put the forehead, or like where the hair would start, right here, which I normally put them on 2 different layers, so I'm able to erase like what's under the hair when I get to the line art stage. But basically, I'm going to do a really simple hairstyle for this. So I'm going to do like a part down the middle. No, actually, side parts are easier. So I'm going to do, I'll draw this. Like that, that's where the part goes. That's where the hair is going to be coming from. So, and then what I like to do is I like to just, see, you have to follow the curves of the face. So here, if I was going to, so that's like the eye socket, and then, so this is like eyebrow, eye socket, cheek, down the face. You don't have to follow that directly, but that's just something to keep in mind, especially if you were doing a style that had, like hairs on the face or something. So basically what you're going to do, what I do first is I like to draw like a block. So if I wanted to do this type of hairstyle, see, it's all coming from the part layer. I'm going to do like, just kind of like a basic. And there's always a little bit of space, but you see right here, there's always a little bit of space because that's like the volume of the hair. So the thicker the hair, the more volume you're going to have. And if it's curly, you're going to want to go outward like this, near there. But I'm drawing straight hair right now because that is simpler. So we're going to do this. So here's the blocked. So here it is blocked. It's going to have some here. And then what you're going to do now is go in and see, when it comes to the part, I like to do this little V right here. Like it's almost like a curved V. And there's the indent where the hair comes out. And then now you're just going to do the lines. I always typically tend to do stuff in like a V because that's just how it looks to me on other people's drawings that I studied. So now you're going to just go in and put in the details. Remember, don't get frustrated. Like it's not something you need to get frustrated about. It takes practice. Everything with art always takes practice, and you'll get it. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it. Just like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this layer because I'm going to draw a different hairstyle to add to this. But I'm going to take this and I'm going to erase, because then you go through and then you erase the underside. And there you have your hair. And there you have some hair. Actually, here. Always go back and just double check, add more. And if you wanted to add one of those cutesy little anime things at the top of the head, and the eyes would eventually go like right there. Ta-da! And then, so yeah, that's how you draw that kind of hair. Oops. Now I'm going to turn these off, turn this back on, and I'm going to do one more hairstyle in a similar way. But I'm going to do a shorter hairstyle this time. So we're going to be doing like a pixie cut almost. So it's almost the same thing, but you're going to want to just, I like to alternate with these, and like remember it's a bit, hang on, I forgot one step. So again, block it. So it's gonna be like, it kind of looks like Lord Farquaad. Anyway, so I'm gonna want to block it just like that, and then when it comes to doing these little things, I like to alternate them, one in, one out, and then when I get to the, sometimes you honestly just have to play with it and see which one looks best. See, this side will go down a bit longer because since it's a 3/4 view. And then there's that, and then like this. Again, coming from the part, just about right there. And then when it's shorter, I like to layer it. Just do a bit more over the top. Hair is messy. Hair is like hundreds of thousands of strands, millions even. So just mess with it, add it, make it messy. Have fun. The most important thing with art is to have fun. It's the more fun you have, the faster you're going to improve. And there we go. It's a pixie cut. Ta-da! Oh, my cat meowed. But thank you guys for watching, and I will be doing the next tutorial as well as the Aizawa drawing will be up soon. I will be posting both December's rewards and November's rewards at the same time because I'm behind. But thank you guys for being a part of my Patreon, and see you next time. Bye!